continue the electricity chapter. In the last class we studied about resistance. In that I had told you regarding the difference of resistivity and resistance. One mistake I had done, that is the SI unit of rho I had written meter. Sorry to say you, the SI unit of rho is ohm meter. Actually we had calculated it, but while writing I had done that mistake. Okay children, today we are going to study regarding combination of resistance. What is combination of resistance? कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस. तो रेजिस्टेंस को अगर हम सीरीज में लगाए या तो कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस में दो टाइप के होते हैं, रेजिस्टेंस कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज एंड रेजिस्टेंस कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल. तो रेजिस्टेंस को सीरीज में जब सर्किट में लगाया जाता है तो उसको ऐसे दिखाते हैं. वी विल शो इट लाइक द सिंबल ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस इज दिस. So first, when we want to connect this resistance to any cell and we need to remove the ohm meter, means we have to draw the electricity through that. First we will study regarding series connection. Okay, series connection. That means if we connect the resistance in series, ज़्यादा bulbs लगाए हमें उसका electricity निकालना है. So in this way we will connect. This is called as resistance in series and this is the cell potential difference. Okay. One thing you have to note down is when we connect the resistance in series, the potential difference will be different. Okay. For example, I just want to say you, अगर हमने resistance को ऐसे लगाया, this is series connection. एक के पास हुए, एक के पास हुए, तो ऐसे किया, तो what happens? The current will flow equal. The current will flow equal. सब जगह से ये resistance से ये resistance से ये resistance सब जगह से from everywhere the current will flow in equal part. But the potential difference will be different here. For example, here it will be V1, it will be V2 and it will be V3. But when we connect this resistance in parallel, what happens? For example, this is a symbol of resistance. Just to show you, I will connect a bulb here. मान लो कि ये 10 यूनिट का है, ये 20 यूनिट का है और ये 50 यूनिट का है. डिफरेंट यूनिट का रेजिस्टेंस हमने कनेक्ट कर लिया, तो इसका V1, V2, V3 अलग हो जाएगा जब हमने सीरीज में कनेक्ट किया. अगर यही यूनिट हमने पैरेलल में कनेक्ट किया लाइक दिस, the potential difference will be same. The V1 will be same here and the I1, the value of I1 will differ. Like ये I1 हो जाएगा, ये I2 हो जाएगा. You can see this. You consider this part and you can see the current is flowing from here to here. यहाँ आने के बाद डिवाइड हो जाएगा करंट पैरेलल में, इधर अलग जाएगा, इधर अलग जाएगा और इधर अलग जाएगा. So there will be a difference in the flow of current when we connect the resistance in parallel. When we connect the resistance in series, the current will be same, but the potential difference will be bit different. Okay, this you have to understand, because when we need to give the electrical logic, what we have to do? We should understand where the current flows in equal resistance. when we add these three resistance, we will what kind of ohm meter we have to connect. What kind of resistance means कितने ohm meter का resistance हमें connect करना पड़ेगा अगर ये तीन निकाल के पूरा एक रखना है तो. And we will name it as RS. Okay, सीरीज में कनेक्शन है तो RS नाम दे दिया. तो यहाँ पे as I told you potential difference will differ here. So you consider this one as V1, this you consider as V2, and this you consider as V3. Okay, सीधे सीधे आपको बोलना है तो तीनों को ऐड किया तो RS की वैल्यू उतने ओम मीटर. अगर मान लो कि ये 10 का है, ये 20 का यूनिट है और ये 50 का यूनिट है, तो 50, 60, 70, 80 ओम मीटर का रेजिस्टेंस अगर लगा लिया तो हमें सेम सेल से सेम टाइप ऑफ सेल अगर हमने वैसा ही सेल इसको लगा लिया 80 ओम मीटर का लगा लिया तो हो जाएगा. बट वी नीड टू गिव द इलेक्ट्रिकल वैल्यू बिकॉज उसका लॉजिक को ना पकड़ सकते हैं. वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट when the question arises. Okay, so what is the electrical logic we have to give to show the constant? जो यहाँ पे effective value अगर हमें मालूम करना है तो करना क्या है? The only thing is here we need to know this. The value of V differs. V1 plus V2 plus V3. Okay, in series connection. And this is RS. This has become our first equation. Okay. So the same thing. Directly you have to put the Ohm's law here. What is Ohm's law? V is equal to I into R. So what happened? This is resistance. V1, V2, V3. This is a difference, and this is you will consider as R1, R2, and R3. Okay. V की वैल्यू क्या है? अभी ओम्स का लगाना है हमें. When we add to, we have to put the ohms law here. Directly we will put P at I. Everywhere it is I. Current is flowing in equal constant. So what is the value of V1 here? I into R1. V की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? I R1. V2 की वैल्यू I R2. Okay. Very easy. Add this V3 की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? I R3. Okay. Next. And what is the value of RS? V की वैल्यू है RS. Okay. Next what we will do? I is common here. We will take I R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now for example we have सिर्फ 3 हमने यहाँ पे 3 कनेक्शन दिया, 4, 5 नंबर ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस कनेक्ट करके हम इक्वल उसका सेम इफेक्टिव वैल्यू का जो बल्ब अगर हम लगाएंगे तो सेम कनेक्शन या सेम करंट फ्लो हो जाएगा. एंड वी अंडरस्टूड दैट दिस इज आवर फॉर्मूला फॉर सीरीज कनेक्शन. ओके, R1, R2 and R3 and is equal to RS. Is equal to RS. So what is the value of RS? The value of RS will be the value of R1 plus R2 plus R3. For example, as I told you, R1 का रेजिस्टेंस है 10 प्लस R2 का रेजिस्टेंस है 20, R3 का रेजिस्टेंस है 50. What happened? 50, 70, 80. तो पूरा 80 ohm. We got the RS value is 80 ohm. So what we have to do? We have to take the resistance of 80 ohm. The same work what we do by connecting 3 resistance, the same effective value can be brought out by connecting 80 ohms resistance. In this way we have to calculate. Next we will study about the connection in parallel. As I told you, in connection in parallel what happens? I की value differ हो जाती है. Okay? We will understand it now. Okay? So here I forgot to say you where the I value goes. As we have put the units for the formula, if जो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन था सीरीज में जो हमने लगाया था रेजिस्टेंस को V1 plus V2 plus V3 where we had put for V the value of V is IRS, here V1, V2 and V3. Here IRS, R1 plus R2 R3, here I will go. Then the formula will be RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 in series connection. Okay. I had left this I, so I told you once again. Okay, next we'll go for the resistance connected in parallel. What happens when the resistance is connected in parallel? As I told you, here potential difference, when the resistance is connected in parallel, the potential difference will be same, but the flow of current will differ. Okay, it goes here. जैसे जैसे वो जाता रहेगा तो क्या होगा, इसकी वैल्यू, करंट को इधर भी फ्लो करना है, उधर भी फ्लो करना है, इधर भी फ्लो करना है. सो the flow of current differs. For that we will create an equation. What is the value of I? That is I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. This is one equation. According to that, this we will create one Ohm's law. Ohm's law के ऊपर आप पुट कर देंगे सारा वैल्यू उसके ऊपर. तो व्हाट इज Ohm's law? V is equal to I R. अब हमें यहाँ पे पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस V का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट नहीं करना है, वोल्टेज का वैल्यू हमें फाइंड आउट करना है R. सो व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन वी ब्रिंग दिस, सॉरी I का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. I अगर यहाँ पे आ गया तो R नीचे आ जाएगा. सो द वैल्यू विल बी, द फॉर्मूला वी विल गेट इज I is equal to R upon V upon R. Okay, this same value we will put on all value of I with among the Ohm's law. I की वैल्यू क्या है यहाँ पे ये कनेक्शन में? I R. So according to that, according to the formula, we are going to put the value of R1, R2 and R3 where the current differs. That is, what is the value of I that is individual here when we need to put a single unit for the same value of cell voltage. तो इसकी वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? V upon RP. I is equal to V upon RP. पैरेलल में कनेक्शन है ना, इसीलिए RP रखा. सीरीज में कनेक्शन है तो RS रखा. ओके. I1, what is the value of I1? V upon R1. V upon R1 plus I2 V upon R2. Next I3 V upon R3. So the value of current will be V by R1, V by R2, V by R3. तो current की value change हो जाएगी. So here what we will do? We will remove V. Simple say, when we remove V, we will put the 1 by R1, 1 by R2, 1 by R3. So we got what is V by R3. We remove this V and we got the formula that is RP is equal to, when the resistance is connected in parallel, the formula will be like this: 1 upon 1 by R1, 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. जितने आप रेजिस्टेंस कनेक्ट करते जाएंगे उतने it goes on. Okay, in this. So as we have got the formula for the parallel connection, we will take this parallel and put some values for that and evaluate. Here RP is equal to R1 की value है 10, R2 20, R3 is 30. Okay, so now what we will do? We will take the even numbers, add, multiply it and put here. You got it. 10 ones are 10, 20 ones are 20. 20 into 10 is 200. We will bring down this. Next, Again you need to multiply this and put. Next, multiply these two, 6000. 1100 by 6000. 2 goes and we will get 11 by 60. You will put the highest value here and divide it. When you divide, you will get the value as 5.45 ohm. Now, in the resistance when it is in parallel connection, we got the value as 5.45. That means the resistance will be very minimum when we connect the resistance in parallel. So the same value if we put it in series connection, what happens? We will get 30, 50, 60 ohms. See the difference. Here the resistance will be very high and here the resistance is very low. This is the difference of combination of resistance. When the resistance is connected in series, when the resistance will be maximum. When the resistance is connected in parallel, the resistance will be minimum. The question may arise like evaluate when the resistance is in maximum. You have to put the series connection formula, this one, and evaluate the answer. When they asked evaluate when the resistance is minimum, at that time what you have to do? You have to put this value and evaluate. Okay, this was all about combination of resistance, where we are having two types, that is resistance in parallel and resistance in series. Okay, in the next video we are going to continue regarding electricity, a different part. Okay, thank you, take care, bye bye.